expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Hi guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new Tiffany bag, and it looks like this on the outside. I took the bow out. Yes, I already saw it. When the FedEx guy came, I was like, oh my god, and I ran to the door and I was like, I gotta see it. So I unraveled it, and I couldn't kind of like make the bow out again because those people are like bull perfectionists, so I couldn't make it out. But this is the box, and it also came in a bag. I'm sorry, the bag is kind of folded, but yeah. So it came with the bag, and this is the box with the bag inside of it, if that makes sense. But let's get started. So this is the new one that just recently came out. So it comes with a lot of paper, Tiffany's. I like the box size. I'll put it out for decoration. And this is this bag that it comes with. And are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? This is the bag. And it is inspired by the little heart necklace of Tiffany's. Please return to Tiffany & Co. New York. And it has a little chain that also says Tiffany & Company. Oh, I left the sticker on it. Oh no, you can see it's on the side. As you can see. And this is the way the back looks. Just an empty heart. It is very cute. This is the mini one. And this is the strap that comes along with it. I already attached it, as you can see. And it says Tiffany on the side. Right there it says Tiffany's. And on this side as well, same thing. Okay, so once we look at the interior of the bag, this is what it looks like when it's closed. But right here it has a magnetic piece which attaches, and once you open it, the bag looks like this. The good thing about this bag compared to my old one, it has a little zipper inside, as you can see in the back part, so I could put like my wallet, I could put like my wallet and stuff in there, or like a more concealed, you know, like some money and stuff. Everything is not loose flying around. My authenticity card came with it. The card came with it. But right here is like a little pocket, and then the rest of your stuff goes in there. It's a cute little bag, and it fits a lot of stuff, honestly, because I already see the size. My phone will fit, my wallet would fit, you know, lip gloss and anything else that I really want to take. Nothing ginormous, of course, like little perfumes, like a decent amount of stuff would fit in this bag, and it feels very comfortable. And I'm going to Scotch Guard it once I ordered some Scotch Guard because this blue is very light. This bag also comes in pink and it comes in red, but I wanted the blue, obviously. And I know the blue was sold out at one point. But I'm gonna Scotch Guard this bag. I ordered some Scotch Guard on Amazon so it doesn't get dirty or stained. But this is how it looks like. I haven't really used it much, so I really can't tell you much about the bag, but so far it's very lightweight. It feels very soft, in your face color. It looks very cute and very pretty. I wanted it in Tiffany, like my favorite color is pink and Tiffany blue, but I wanted it in Tiffany blue color because from a distance you can tell like, whoa, that's Tiffany's. The pink one is like, okay, what does she have? Is it a Kate Spade? No, this one is like, boom, I'm Tiffany's. So I like this one a lot, and I'll be using it like my everyday bag. I'm just super excited to use it. I like all the little details about it, and yeah. Oh, and inside it also says Tiffany & Co. I don't know if you guys saw it the first time, but I will attach a picture of the bag and also the price, and the link will be down below if you also want to get the bag for yourself. Okay, so that was my video, guys. If you like videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, start like a butterfly.